Hello friends, in Advanced Web Designing, our today's topic is inline frames in HTML5, and that is our last topic in Advanced Web Designing. We will start with a new topic with next lecture. So let's see what is inline frames in this lecture. So this is the simple program I have made for inline frames. So you first have to know that what is inline frame. Inline frame is, suppose this is the frame you are watching, is the main frame, and in this frame you want to divide this screen, and again you want to open the new program in the same screen. So iframe, what iframe does that in the web page it adds another frame, and you can open another website in that frame. So we will see by running this program how it will work. Before that, we will see which are the attributes that we can use in iframe tag. So iframe is the inline frame tag, and the source attribute we can use to import the website which you want to display in that frame. So src will be the attribute which opens another program or another website in your extra frame. So I have simply given here the name of HTML program that I have already made. Height is the attribute. This height and width attribute sets the height of the iframe and width of the iframe in the web page. So I am running this program so you can have idea more clear. If I run this program, see the rest of the page is main web page, and this is the iframe that I have added. See, you can scroll it over here. So this is the iframe I have added in your main web page. So it is the program where you can add your web page, or you can also give web address here. So you can give web address here, and you will see another website in that frame. So you can add many frames in same program. So if I will add another frame in this program, see I am using another iframe tag, and this is the different program. So you can consider it as the different website. And if we run this, if we refresh this again, so you can see another iframe here, and another program is getting open here. So this can be considered as another website. So you can add many frames in the in main frame. You can add many frames, and you can have many websites in the same screen. So that is the use of iframe tag, and iframe tag is also known as floating frame tag. This is the most important thing I am telling you, that iframe tag is also known as floating frame tag. Iframe is also known as floating frame. So that is all about iframe, and that is all about advanced web designing for us. We will see more interesting topic and more interesting subject from the next lecture. I hope you understand those lectures. Thank you so much.